damaged branch on one of your favorite trees can be not only unsightly, but it can be really bad for the tree because it opens it up to disease.
Well, I've tried to trim a lot of branches and I always end up with this big split out little area right in here. How can I prevent that happening?
Danny, you probably leave too much weight on the branch before you make that cut. So you just got to remember that the first cut that you want to make is going to be further up the tree so that you get rid of that weight, and then your last cut is clean and nice and actually much easier to do. Make your first cut somewhere up in this area. Now, that first cut is important to make because it relieves the weight of the branch. And Danny's actually using a bow saw for that. But as we're getting closer into the tree to make this final cut, we need maybe a smaller saw that just allows us to get very close to the trunk and make that perfect cut just at the collar of the tree.
Now, it used to be when my father and I would cut limbs like this, we would put a tar substance over it. Is that necessary to protect the tree?
Not anymore, Danny. We found that, in fact, that sometimes can seal in disease or even insect problems, so we don't do it anymore. The main thing is if you can make the right cut right at the collar there, then you do the tree such a big favor and it will heal itself and you don't have to do anything more.